we're here in this area. I don't know what it's called, pero mukha siyang weekend market. Good morning. It is day 4 in Switzerland and we are at Interlaken West train station kasi we will be going to Zermatt, so we'll be riding the IC81 train and then we'll go down at Spies, and then from there we'll ride the train going to Visp and then to Zermatt. So yun, so we will be going to Zermatt today. So they said na it's a little snowy, so kaya medyo prepared kami with our outfits and all. Yan, I'm wearing a scarf, I have coat, double ang pangloob ko kasi sabi daw it will be snowy there today, so para if in case will not hindi kami lamigin. Hello guys, so update, hindi kami matutuloy o hindi kami natuloy sa Zermatt dahil na-cancel ang journey dahil may rocks na nakaharang sa railway. So bumalik kami dito sa Visp station. So ang gagawin na lang namin is pupunta na kami ng Spiez, saka yung mga other areas so yung cover and doon. So dito na kami waiting for yung IC69 at maulan na dito. So we're now at Spiez. So a town along Lake Thun. So dito na lang kami pupunta kasi hindi makapunta ng Zermatt. So we're now going to the Spiez Castle and then roam around the area. Tapos tingnan namin where we will go next. Okay, say hello.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. So, update na lang later. So, here. So, ito yung welcome sign. And the more na you get up close to the castle, the more mo na-realize na ang pretty-pretty niya. Yes guys, we're now here at Schloss Spiez or Spiez Castle. So ito yung parking area, may overlooking ng flower field which is really nice. Tapos ayun yung castle and then may park pa siya. Pretty lang. Ang ganda ng view. What is inside? May parang park area, although nag-renovate siya, pero that's nice. Oh, and ang ganda ng view. So guys, dito kami sa parang ferry port area. So ang ganda niya, may mga kainan dito. So kung trip nyo kumain dito, ayan, pero may mga benches din para kung may baon kayo, you can also eat here. Ang ganda na ng flowers. A sign na it's spring na. That's really nice. Guys, we decided to sit here on the bench and kainin ang aming baon before kami mag-ferry going to Thun at 1:30. Nakahanap kami ng convenience store, so bumili kami ng kape. So yan na yung turn namin doon sa baon namin na bread na kasama sa breakfast namin kanina na niluto sa accommodation. And lunch time! After namin si Steve, nasusun kami. Be, say hi to the video. Hi.
Welcome to Thun, Switzerland.
Ayan, nasa Thun kami. Ayan. So, we'll start walking and papakita namin later yung mga highlights. Look guys at that view. So it's very city-like, but then you can still see in the backdrop the mountain. So it's really nice. So this is Thun, guys. We're just walking. I like that the cars actually stop when people cross. So guys, we're here in this area. I don't know what it's called, pero mukha siyang weekend market. So yun, daming stalls for food, vegetable, plants, other products. May bili lang ako. French Mandel. Someone recommended this chocolate brand to us. Nakasag we try. Lemon chocolate to try. So guys, ito daw si Pulihong. So para sa ano siya, figure or something na usually yun yung wina-wear na costume or something ng mga tao every Thun festival or something. So yun. So yan. So may magandang paraisip. That's the castle or ewan. So yan. Guys, we're walking to Thun Castle or Schloss Thun. So yan. So, entrance dito is kasama sa, as far as I know, Swiss Travel Pass. So, yun. So, silipin lang namin kung anong itsura niya. And so, it looks like inside. So, guys, this is the view when you go on sa taas ng castle. So, yan. May overlooking view ng Thun. Hello guys, we're here at the last stop of our day. So we're now in Bern. So ito na yung last stop namin for today. Tapos after nito, babalik na kami ng accommodation. So ito, welcome to Bern. Actually, amaze kami sa dami ng tram. And sobrang mayat-maya yung tram. So, parang ang ganda ng transportation within the area. So, parang saka anywhere, parang ang dami niyang destination, dami niyang pwedeng daanan. So, napaka-helpful. Hindi lang sa mga turista, pa din lang sa mga nakatira dito. Which is very nice. So guys, we're currently walking along the streets of Bern. So ito yata yung Bern Old City. And then we're actually just trying to look for a place to eat. So gahanap kami ng restaurant. So sana may makita na kami kasi gutom na ako. And first time lang talaga namin technically mag-eat out. Oh well, except for yung yesterday when we ate ng cheese fondue sa Grindelwald. So this will be the second time na kakain kami sa labas. So ayan, hopefully may makita na kaming place. So yan guys, nakahanap kami ng place to eat. So kumain kami ng tacos, umorder kami ng isang order na may tacos, may burrito, may dessert, and then may fries and drinks. So sa 28 CHF shop. Yun yung pangalan ng place, Papa Burrito dito sa may Bern.